Hallelujah.
It's your boy Mr. Kapitwa LTD aka MCBcom number 7 Kashangane just net lapho nje, and I'm here with
yo, this is your boy mfana ongezwa abamiza ngocha uchomi nangocha bafethi. Yeah, we back in a new episode. We got a new guest bafethi.
yeah, it's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be lit.
Jami, the guy,
mfana wakhona,
the most wanted.
Sure,
Jamu bani ka.
Ay, kama la mupaseka njam. Ngeno ngopaseka.
Yeah.
Abanye bangena ngoPSK yabona. Intwana yasemight, sure.
Yeah, intwana yasemight.
Yini might? Obani might man.
Almighty place njam. Khoya ngiculela ya Light Davidson.
Uba mphathi.
Oreza.
Oh, hayi.
Raymond, sure.
Asemazi.
Oh, lemkela.
Yeah, asemazi.
Ureza
noto hawa ama yonke show. Angihlanga amanzi downrise. Yalikela lokhulumane. And nalikuwa yake awekena for sure.
Sakasa.
Yes. Umntwana uculela yena shoot Ureza.
Umntwana ngiculela ubuhali ke.
Oh, uculela ubuhali.
No, tanguculela ubuhali. Ubuhali tanga ngayi kuvakasha.
Why tanguculela ubuhali?
Angiculela ubuhali tanga.
Why uculela ubuhali
Hayi tanga.
Why
Grand kureza tanga.
Oh, Glen. Uyehlaba kwenza.
Blind.
Yeah. So uthi angimazi abayibe ne comment yabo.
Sure.
Yeah, like I'm not knowledge about the Almighty blessed. But then, umuntu anutulela yona. Amemthemba nje amtula into ngibhezi 10.
Sure, ngishayithena nje.
10 ne. Ushaya note. Angasolo ntswembu kudlula leli. Yami useless. Le yami kena ukuthi icha kuphela. Useless nje. Phela we outside useless ekhwayeni. Maka ithi wena face of infernals wena ngisho.
Ndoda ngoshika ndoda angeke ube face like ungachazi. You gotta have entertainment, dog.
Cabanga ke le out yachaza ke.
Ayona
face of
futhi ayangichaza paseka manje.
Down if we face of Almighty.
No, hayi.
Yeah, yena akasiboni kanjalo ngisho.
Yeah, mina ngizibona.
We got different goals of levels, my man.
When uyazifonela.
Kurayita ngizifonela ngento ekhona.
Tanga wena fana nomuntu ophatha amafoni ayi2 press call fundo masombu. Akuphendule ngoqeda.
Ngisiphendule kule
ngithola.
Okay, so
uyazifonela le out le tanga.
Into ekhona. Mina my concern is that njengoba tanga uthi upaseka like mina ini nanane. Upaseka nje ututumile tanga ne. Le outle inokudlala angevaka maka abantu abayibona into le.
Yeah, khona le first leg.
Abantu yo abayibona angevanga nala.
Bathi udlala ngeqiniso. Wena ustory emabrana ustory. Jam.
Kambe bethi lapho
kambe kahle tanga ukuze ngifikela ngikhona bengacabanga ukuthi ngingatrenda ngalendlela njalo. Bengacabanga ukuthi ngingatrenda ngalendlela tanga. Ithe post nyana e2 abantu bangithanda tanga. Khona wakomment wathi udlala ngeqiniso ndoda engathi
bekuyiphi le post le?
Ngisayikhumbula tanga.
Maye tanga ngoba thina siza ngeqiniso waye bangathi nathi sidlala ngeqiniso.
I know. Shithi bengenye indlela ithona.
Kanja wena muthi okay muthi ngiyindlela.
Okay, when judging from your own
from your own perspective. Angisho sonke abantu asibona ngokufana.
Le podcast angane etrendile bengakayiboni mina so. Ngingene sengena sekuthiwa kuyaxoliswa nani bengakayiboni mina. Ethola but then other than that bengizosho ukuthi atanga be wrong.
Xolise bani le?
No, I think umphathi ngibona ipost umphathi wenu infoni.
Oh yeah, hayi uya. Nayo umxolisi.
Umxolisi. Kanti bangamela ngixolisi.
Tanga besingekho isidingo
sokuthi.
Like truly speaking, okay, again tanga abantu bemele baxolise ne.
Honest, ngithola.
Abantu bemele baxolise bekuyithi.
So, yabona laba ubabona on camera.
Nathi asisiboni isidingo sokuthi sicolise.
Because like
why thina bangasidlala ngeqiniso?
Yeah, why bona bangathathanga as a joke? Because nakhona but okay, I've heard some comments but we should have alert abaphathi. Hayibo.
Tanga uyaba alert wona abaphathi bakho before uzoposta something.
No.
So yebo lento ikuphi manje? Tina, we actually doing what you doing, Maratina, ukuthi on cam, when on
Yeah,
text.
like live, like
Sure.
On text,
Sure.
wena. Tina, ukuthi on cam.
Oh,
Wena
okay,
mungathatha izinto lezo zikhuluma ne. Uzenze on cam. Ngingazi ukuthi ngingaba mfana yo. Ingaba icomedy mfana kuwe ke mfana.
yito tanga
Because I don't know, inkinga ngathi people have their own taste of people. Mangasho ukuthi lo ngizomhlekela. Ayilona ngimhlekela.
like khona kakhulu khona
Sho ukuthi sho ukuthi mangizothi lo ngizomhlekela sho ukuthi uyomhlekela kulento efana njengeyami makuyikwatele le yami.
Le kanjani futhi favorite
yeah ngcono you get the
It's
point.
like again we have got a text voice note eshow ukuthi there's ama favoritism la kahle understand ukuthi lo angathi it's gonna be cool lo angathi yo ngikhuphile bese simfela you understand so phela another thing labantu laba ne so cula nabo angisho aba promote show this number 1 nje
aba promote show
kiwa
khona
abubana
malo nowabonile tanga
promote show
promote
no why next
awubani babona ko ba promote
yinto promote
so lana jone bokumele lento le essentially bangayithathi the way bathatha ngakhona the level of the brain capacity la sibona khona ukuthi how come bafethu like inyazo ukuthi sonke izinto ezinje sicala ukenzeka izinto za azenzeka
tanga izenzeka dog like into esijwayele
ayenzeka ngingakafika uClapin Tap abasho ku David Tonje yami yangithola bakhuluma nokukhuluma recently into akoyenzeka nje yami Soweto against two choirs ama SOG you understand and that ama vocalist and that atshilana scrap a post that made a show interesting lama vocalist I wonder ayicula kanjani ke manje I wonder bayokhipha ukhono lwabo olunjani you understand empethu that thing mina ke ngibonela ukuthi okay this is interesting ke angithola so la ukuthi I don't know ukuthi kudlalwe ngiciniso ukuthi ubani oyishila uculelani
kuye ngaloko
kahle
the way ngibona angakhona outside yangithola nangapha like lento esiyenze kuba ngathi maye asicule nabo labantu esikade apromote maye lento esiyenzile badala bamaye bona understand like forever humble okay always be humble again nathi maka bafethu like on the roads like here we promoting ukuthi na ungazibuza ukuthi etanga man
forever humble
tanga sibanga atopela tanga lapha tanga house sekuya poster tanga for haba fethu kanti sicule sonke ukuthi maye can't you see ukuthi like lento le you bring lento le ukuthi okay abaphathi bayalo yabona nanithule ngathi nyalo ke at least play along
bona tanga bona bathreatisha umphathi
ngibona cabanga abalala ama house la understand tanga la ukuthi yabona if besithuka abantu njalo azontshe kwa yakho ni useless you nani aman we understand ejola we talking izinto ekubeni abantu masingathi siletha umuntu on a different perspective nge-infamous we allow the person une right
sure
ukhulume yonke into wena uyibona ukuthi yakubheda nge-infamous out yami une right asiboni ngokufana thina into esiyenzayo ngithi ngabe sharp but then wena mawubukela umamele kanje ngasho uqala abantu laba yamemeza angibezwe baqulana
kahle lempile yaqala nenta kahle
eyani cha
nibangayo ninhlakanipho ne-infamous kahle
sibangi okay mina ngazi mina ngibangi tanga mina ngibanga ntanga
no ngibona ngathi kune ghost
like tanga yakine khamba ntane mina ngisasho anamaye ngina almost 3 years tanga ne ngilakli khwaye ngifikele tanga la inkinga zikhona inkinga tayetale khwaye inenkinga tayekhoya leta and inkinga zakhona inkinga zokuba ngathi maye umphathi wakhona like uyaba lethe isovela kusukele nje you understand
sure
like amfethu fatu umantanga you understand that's why nakhona he went and apologized nginte angayenzanga umbonisa ukuthi umuntu onjani that proves you a person awuyenzanga into you understand makuyacolisa ukuthi abantu they involved in-infamous wow lento yakhe I involve igroup yakhe ibhalwe Mr Walker Msini
ayibhalwanga infamous mawangena lapha
ibhalwe Mr Walker
ayi uyithola
clip so ayikho under ama-terms ewe-choir abayikhiphe tanga lento yabona this podcast tangane yakantwana hayi ichoir yakhe
akuseli finos
kusha yena tanga yena uvele wabona ukuthi okay dala khona mhlawumbe nsep you understand so uvele wathi man how about I do into nje unfiltered chat shothi lapho yamakhwaya phela kunywa iqiniso tanga ngamakhwaya if there's iva ukina yamakhwaya isho ukuthi ufuna ukuza uyisho tanga nabafethu like bafethu impeta indawo nesona so aninkinga yeni ukuthi yabota anazitshela or ininanani like umusic wenu ordinary you understand you got all the right to umuntu khula kanjalo awuthami
sure
umuntu khula kanjalo
umuntu ayengama threats
umuntu akakhulu ngama threats if abantu ababona ngathi there's something mele sikhule kuyo abashare like okay nayi platform evulele wonke umuntu azi umunye ekangazi you understand simple as that this one I'm so sure ukuthi promoter ke hamba ngizisho ukuthi no promoter music kanje promoter can be in so different ways
anything
ukujabula ukuhleka nokukwata let's promote him angazi ukuthi
okay mangikuzo ta shuthi kahle kahle bese ngeke isidingo sokuthi umphathi wakho axolise kahle kahle lapha
besingekho my dog kahle kahle la yeah besingekho my dog besingekho so
because the page alikho under infamous la
alifakela
akena
lana kahle isifelana akena lana kahle isifelana
ukuthi sikhwakho
sifela ukuthi like njengoba besihleli so same day sonke da si infamous da so kuba ngathi lento lisiplanile ukuthi abachita
asikhuluma ngani ende pheka kuwe manje asikhuluma ngantana pase ukuthi sokhuluma ngani
yeah like
usibuzile wena
khona into usibuze yona
azange wasibuza no
like isifikile sahlala kibotasa kuwe sahlala la
tanga lento tanga esingabantu yinto tanga goes with the flow
akuna planning
akuna planning ukuthi etanga sokubuza so ngiphindile so hayi sicala tanga yonke into ezitanga raw singazi next now ungazi next ungabe prepared
so nani beningazi ukuthi ngaphumile
nje da
ene manje into engihlekisayo ukuthi iphumile ne mari indlela ba reacting ngayo jo kahle ivara
phela mina nje ngipapa mama mangithi ngiyavuka ngithi ngena ku Davidson Clepensep yes kuyaxoliswa paragraph kamphathi
nami ngiyamphathi wipe
ama admin bathini angeke basawa approve ama post
they just gonna check that
bazocheck
post it sharp
suyafanisa
podcast entsha nje
no ayinana ama subscribe awakafiki na ku 100 ama subscribers
aku 70 something
so aku 8 mangivuka namhlanje
cabanga like lento leta ngabantu abona okay sazoba ngisho neshow so xoxa nangabo China nangabo nangabo Messi
like
so xoxa ngabo bese futhi la tangane imnandi because there's other people abanye bangeza basho ukuthi their side of view against the show nalabantu abanye soculana ukuthi ayilo culeka mnandi ngani bafita ayila inyeke nibone
neyithola
into enje ukuthi ayila bafita kula anyeke nibone la ayilanyile izinto ezinjalo tanga into ekhulisa umuntu iqiniso hayi manga ekhulisa njalo you understand angithi mina what untwana ekayishilo iqiniso because I won't have evidence against that but then untwana to that broadcast wishilo his evidence good okay why ngikhuluma kaye and which song is there you understand
provide the evidence down
so full video you understand that akusinto tanga ukuthi untwana usweki bathi ngexoxa into nje you understand that
nami ngakeni
so mina ngitanga umuntu lo ukuthi shuthi if angithi mina influence it's perfect
what bro what are you talking about man
no it's not perfect it has done its own flows as much as abantanga bathi abayizwa you understand yarasa
mana
bathi yarasa
bathi dance na screaming artist development
so I'm sure
nini
screaming artist development
okay lento letane
sure
our high keys kwabantu abajwayele ama low keys
kuba ngathi
siyarasa ama octaves kuba ngathi siyarasa tanga You understand? Which tanga yengilakhe sewangikwata kumele shoot ngikwata la. Yeah la katang and shoot yakena lapho tanga umuntu awukuzwa ngathi uyarasa shoot lapho khona asizwe khona maybe we couldn't like control our voices because wala ngathi siyarasa. You understand? Because I hike tanga mele tanga ungabi clumsy.
Yeah, mele maintain it.
Don't be clumsy tanga if you're gonna use high keys because kuba ngathi uyarasa. Mina I feel like same day abafethu baqula bengakafiki.
Oh
yeah.
Hayi no same day ne. I think ibesise Victor Zulwana.
Zulwana.
Olesquereni.
Esquereni. No bengasishow ilanga la khona ngathi bekwa ama awards. And then isisekhona ivideo yakhona isatrend namhlanje. Bekwa ama awards the time banikeza abaphathi ama award. Khona la bebanikeza khona each and every part. Yeah, right. Big tour kuya show kuya lona leya. Leya event leya tanga. And then yeah kuya function. And then obviously wangeni Infinos. Eshaya ilomhlengi ekhumbula tanga leya video leya yeah eshaya ilomhlengi sho ukuthi I think utekhobe kada cause I think that's when wabona ngeclip yeah wabona ngeclip yeah wabona ngeclip and then what's he screaming artist mara kwabanye abantu akuzwakalanga kanjalo like abantu aba musically experience bayizwile into esiyenzile la
sure yeah
you understand
that's one thing I'm gonna tell you now ukuthi if wena ne mhlambe uyaqula lapha stage ukuthi nangirasela ikimi leyo nkinga leyo wena akumela ungaffectike ndawo ngisho mina ngifila ngathi
ile way wena ubona ngakhona ile ngishoda last ukuthi amapostola imajority yabo dog ethola bafila ngathi lo music esikuculayo like uyarasa or siya scream like amapostola mosonte postola or umpostola vele nami ngumpostola ta ethola mangifika la nami nga understand to
sure mofika kule
mangifika la khona nami nga understand mara ngafika same day ndo tangabona ukuthi no la ngiyabelonga la ethola cause like
uze umuntu athi niyarasa mara uyamamela ijoya celebration bayarasa la
madoka yabona ingoma zethu yabona setata
yabona tanga mozomamela ijoyas
owamumphathi
understand
yabona owamumphathi ingoma zethu tanga usithatha ku joyas
njalo into ngisho ukuthi umuntu athi niyarasa bese uyahamba emamela ijoyas shuthi awuphilanga
awuzi then uyapha uzothi nasakazi tanga cause thina ezithiko sibuya lapha
kujoyas
uyangizwa
si copy and paste
yabo asithi like any group tanga le
si copy and paste
sina Infinos si copy and paste
from joyous
celebration ja
oh fair
ethola from ama keyboards nama keys nani yeah
bese kunchinja khona
yeah bese khona ke yeah bese seshayis 5 masesichinja yabo
but wona tanga wokhathi ayiphi khoya ngathi uyayisaluta like us kahle kahle kuzayo le ngithulela isigcoko le
ngaphandle kwekhwaya yami
yeah ngaphandle kweyakhe khoya ongasho lezi ngiyazicwaya lezi
okay thingiqale ngibuza utsha ile senthi sayibala lapho
okay
siyayifaka cause ngisacula khona
no asingayifaka cause okay unubala tanga tropic choir require you cause ibikwa you one like us
ile
isi
hayda maningi amabig choir dawa like
okay ngicela ungitshele nje okay njengabo banje yami
abangabambana nelisi
no
like
big choir yeah I upcoming big choir
mina ngibona ngathi babiki
Harmony yeah enye Harmony
nebuhari tanga ibig choir tanga nabo ngokubona kwami angazi ngawo ukuthi kunje
yeah yabona ibeke
ngokubona kwami tanga babiki tanga buhari tanga ibig
okay
Harmony ibig tanga
what makes a choir big according to you kuze uthi ayikhoya ibig what makes you say that
sokumculo enguzwayo mina lapho
ne fan base
besides ukuthi ningakhi e stage tanga akungisebenzile lokho ningaba abaningi mara ngicula udodi
okay fact if I talent ngaba abaningi ngingaculi nonke
yeah vele tanga like konke amakhwaya
yeah wonke amakhwaya
lapho khoyini
khona abakhaphile
khona abasikhapile
ngiyayithola
mara sinayo inhla ibhati lalabo bantu tanga majority
no okay like asibuye nota upaseka ndoda
and then ubuzenta
be quiet
oh be quiet
mara ubuzi ukuthi vibe be quiet or nje noma quiet or quiet nje
quiet wena ungathi yeye
okay ngathi ngesalute
sure
A1
okay
yeah A1
tanga
okay
angisho sensi ngiyakhona yeah sensi dalo ngesalute 100 mara thi siyikhiphe because angithi
lezo sizicwa
uzoba ngathi ngaya
asizicwa mara tanga obvious tanga usika tona
yeah
ngeke ngiposta tanga
uyamchimela neta wena after
ngikukelisimbi le outside tanga ngicwa
quiet that's okay
now uyazi
yeah musically
musically uRaiser la
Razor neta
tanga le wona tanga uNkulunkulu tanga sibusisa kulonyaka tanga senze into eziright tanga sibe positive ubona tanga umehluko uzobona umehluko tanga kutshela tanga
uyathile uRaiser uDasika isho ukuthi nje uDasika akaliboni
uRaiser mfana
tama wayamazi uDasika ta
ayekena
yamkena uplaza ta
le tanga yelahlela ne mara na yakena ne
igcwele
Razor kuleka mfana
balile
kuleka mfana
yathile azisini eyifikele iseyithi kulamalanga
eyifikele
tama ikhona le post yakho yazi ithe ungijova kancane uthe isenthi yangazi ibhikhwaya la uma emokhwaya acula igwijo tama bosho
vele tanga
bosho bani bosho bani kahle lapho
tanga lapha bengisho the rest emakhwaya wasethwatha basiculile igwijo abafethu
yo tanga
but bengizidlalela tanga mina
odlala ngeqiniso
bachester tanga abantu bangathola
ama-inbox
bathola ama-inbox
makanjani nami ngiyele ngachester kancane ke
but then wabuya wazikhuphula
ngiyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani
sure
maybe ngichestile maybe for like 8 seconds
but lo paseka
bese kwaba nenye out sezongivezela amakhwaya ilist yamakhwaya la ethwatha kuma comments
chester kamampela ke lo
ngathi mina hayi angangikhetha into engayazi phela esa
okay Joe pepe real quick ne ngicela ungibalele amakhwaya walike aso owaziyo
ola ethwatha or wase Davidson
okay twatha asicela la sikhona manje
athi Davidson as a whole
Davidson as a whole
and ngiphendula question yakhe ke
yeah phela
ngiphendule
umphendule
la ungiphendule
sifosi yalabo mphendule waleka
kuyama ekhaya khona isekho ta
ible
uprising ta
iyekenzelani
itanga okay ngokwazi kwami music le uyifaka ngifundise ngakhona tanga abafethu tanga la ethwathu yibe ngathi bangiculela kamnandi tanga ngoku musically tanga abafethu bayacheka tanga ethwathu music wabo tanga umnandi njalo lezi yata ngeke umamela ingoma yazo manje uyibambe manje unamandla ngeke tanga
samele mamele man
samele maybe 3 days tanga 3 days kan uzo understand ukuthi okay lana abajida bathi i10 lapha ke ikhuthele nje amabafana nanta fana nawe kahle itshathi ngibuye kanjalo abafana nawe cha mara otherwise tanga wena ipha amakhoyo wakhe nayo tanga la ekhasi
I think call Davidson tanga
okay Davidson
uze nayo vele
kahle khuphuke nayo amakhoya engwake nayo or engwagcwalayo
owakenayo siyeza ngawara sijaha kana
amakhwaya engwakenayo tanga ngizocala ngeya movies Almighty Blessed
okay shout out to Almighty Blessed
yes
siza kubuhali batumelo
shout out to all buhali there
yeah sithi Harmony
ayi ngikuthi shout out
shout out
to
shout out
usays
the rest is history Sister Davidson tanga
hayibo khona bo heist khona bo
heist yo
khona yo hayi bafethu
heist yani heist khona
it's bad
no yani heist
it's bad it's bad
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
yo tanga okay usays
no not in bedwe ngibakhohliwe
so yabona manje bakhohliwe now in the future
yo okay yeah nanda
yeah phela
ke useze ngicubeka
okay cubeka sisingena ngaphi ithwathu
ithwathu tanga ngena amakhwaya 3 tanga hayi kabi
mbona
3 Infamous inhlakanipho idesens
tanga khona
idesens yakuphi yala
Yela
ithwathwa
ithwathwa naye.
khona nani angazi
Khona
ngizoba
ntanga
busy by
nini?
kahi or yini
Khona ne-inspiration.
Inspiration Voices, khona ni Kefas Nyoga Gospel Choir, khona ni
Universal.
Yeah, there's Universal.
Oh, Chili's, yeah. Upcoming choir.
Then yeah.
Phelen.
So now okay.
Makatanga ima
Nice.
ta kule event le ya tanga bekungasila amakhwaya lawa kuphela tanga. Like was tanga like asikuna amakhwaya tanga. Maningi maka
Oh, cabanga ukhohleni isikhanda. Igazi 1520.
esa
Cabanga.
bafethu eneleza sicula kamnandi. Leza sicula kamnandi tanga. Mfethu why?
may his soul rest in peace
Thando.
Shout out to Thando bafethu.
So abantwana nje
RIP.
and ngathi abafowethu nje ngalevele ngathi tanga nabo bavele baba
uyayibona
ya
tanga
ngathi bavele baba
kuni post engikhiphile tanga
ngibonile
sikhanda bafethu sicela bafethu siyazi niluze ihero but then zama ukupick up
buyani because ngingabi ngathi like beaming like abakhona abantu abaphi music
sesiyenza le Davidson.
sesupportana
siyasupportana
hayi siyazi okay
Alapha ngivumelana nawe.
kanjani mama
ngisho batanga ngisasho tanga mina yabona tanga kwa yabo le tanga ngifike ninkinga tanga angabafuni usafika awu wayebangangifuni because umpothweni oqala akaphaphi njengathi usulele
Inkinga yithi.
akathani indawo okay inkinga nanenzeni nisuke bani
Next time.
Usukile bani?
Thina saspeed ngisho. But sicula. Kahle kena tanga la inkinga yini tanga.
ucula kamnandi
Ucula kamnandi tanga nokuthi sine potential at all and emaya abanye abantu babona ngathi sazifonela kanti na. Some other people we have to understand tanga ukuthi some other people aba angeke wonke umuntu akufunela impumelelo nje manje. Mele you
into
understand
ngizokutshela
leyo
ne
tanga.
because like ngisabuza abanye abantu tanga ukudala vele like bakhwayo from other choirs nje mfethu yakangitshela uyazi na ukuthi like ikhwaya yami bayifuna ikazi wena uyadlala wena ngazi kahle wena but khona ale outlay eyathi kimi echo like us they so unfair kini you guys go all out ma show in support banganiboni because fire akekho
Yeah, khona nalento mayenze kanjani ta.
then
the guy is
then
working.
for your guys to get return of what you all did and so kuba ngathi nje ni kwaisihle nje amaculo like us nje
Masihleli phansi. Enetanga kuyasupportwa again. Uzothola tanga nabachita abagcoka ikipa tanga zabo drum boss bashuta nabaphathi
how many
balokubala.
times too how many times mina too yeah chomna asakhala tanga angewan show yethu tanga you understand
Yo tanga.
sakhala angewan show yethu
Makatanga yakena khona advantage tanga le one man show ne. Mina engiyibonile from second lam. We hosted i one man show tanga la e Davidson tanga bese hostele la ithwathu. You understand? Yeah, Infernus.
one man show
one man show
Like Infernus pen. I one man show. Kule one man show le ya. Majority Davidson ay supporta. Actually kahle Davidson. Bekungana Davidson. Umphathi bekakhona lokufufu kuphela. Yeah.
Tsata
Yeah, wasithwa.
and then
abomzozo
ama show
no
Ureza
bali yawo Mama paswako ndaka
and then check ukuthi kambeni kule one man show. Yabona kule one man show yeah. Maybe we had like how many supporters? Manga estimate.
not even 20
like
not even 20 dog not even yakchel
or tamhlaba ni promoter ngata
yabona le njengoba sipromoter manje bisisenza kancane
bendla niyanisatha
bisilalise kule one man show echo mina bengajwayela
asiya promoter phela
Davidson infelile musibafethu
understand mara and echo into engiyithandile ke ngale one man show like wonke umuntu ubeka lapha ya bekungaso umuntu oprethendayo out yami
and the bonga somuntu oyi chorus like okay akupuna ama chorister ay 3
ngibona eli one la ku Saints
two saints
because nabana
Mbali
Noneli yeah ngabona usibuka from
Zing
Hey,
Yabo mangithi 3 only I'm a chorist.
But then the show was a success.
Yeah, the show was a success tang. Isho tanga iyaqhubeka ngoma yabo. Maka hayi yona tanga ibona for us who always support tanga like us.
Yeah, it was
what
bad.
the hell? Damn.
Amakatanga uyihit tanga more than 20 tanga supporters. Mangithi ngichecka kahle tanga.
Crazy.
Mangithi ngichecka kahle dog. Khona abafethu bako inspiration abu 1000.
Tanga yes tanga
plus minus
tanga they don't reach 20 dog. They don't. Tanga they don't reach even 20.
Serious?
Tanga they tanga sambe amashow wonke I like us wonke. I want to wonke swahambile amashow like us.
Yohambile wonke.
Ayikase nama awe wamanye amakhwaya so maka ngikhuluma jungu khosa like us wonke. Ngathi
yabona le ndaba yokusupporta like asimele ikhulu
Iza ne favoritism.
khona ngisho mina I feel like khona abathi lapha si like mina I feel like there's a group of certain people yabo who can influence people. Yeah, wena lapha
We're not going.
wena lapha full force perfect.
of which into wrong cause
Na inte wrong.
Yabona ufata ne ayiki show I like us azangathi bafisa ngicela nyini cause yasipana umuntu lo tanga lo muntu lo
kwazi
aqale eshowini
before
ayispanning tanga
ale show win
aqale show ayo support
before
just for
tanga
utavele
for an hour cabanga
abamenzela isikhathi umsebenzi
yes cabanga le isikhathi ukhiphe full money just for an hour then yamba
yo ish
thina abasibona ngisho as my choristers ukuthi bantwana bafuna uze like kube no fire phakathi ukuze bona kutsale imfino
kanjani lezi zami izigcoka ikipa
ngofire ta
lezi zami izigcoka ikipa
singaya tanga singaya eshowini ufaka ngekho
yeah ndisingaya
that is still infamous.
Yes, ngaya
hayi ukuthi ngoba maye ufaka
athi sikwazi ukuyingcwabeni sikwazi ukuyama service
that tanga doesn't mean ukuthi tanga ufire tanga ifakekho akusi infamous still infamous ukuthi akekho
infamous
you understand ukuthi nje akekho but then there is our second conductor
manje use
yeah manje use
manje ngona tangiphulela infamous ngisho awuthi ngikubuze tanga awuthi ngikubuze tanga uyayisabi the sense wena
the sense
ukhulela infamous wena
cha
awisabi
cha
why wengisabi
why
wonke umuntu uyayisabi the sense itop quiet tanga
mina akena wine
sure
I knew since before ngizo even like joining a choir
but so weekend is
yeah I was in Ken understand saying Ken like blind because it seems that kahle ngikena from inkambini yami konke khona out le biza umsobo bicubase yabode out yakhona and so being sasa is a whole man sasa izintwana ya we choir that so it is sense okay ngoba I choir first experience live engizoba nale experience via music emadlebeni fatanga clapping tanga all the voices tanga
sure
being combined. It was my first time near the scenes, you understand? Okay, it went then I joined Infinos. It's like you. Okay. So this one it abunu fata ne mina nginale nto ukuthi ufa angamelana noma yipi choir tanga.
Usho kanje?
Trust you me tanga. Angamelana
nebohali bathumela. Akawenhleka manje kama utanganyabuza.
Ay mawo
Tanganyabuza tanga kuleka umuntu.
Tangabuza kahle ake. Buza kahle njaya.
Ngibuzile ngede senze ngisho.
Ngicede mustang ngede sense tanga.
Oh bongakaqedi.
Ayisho tanga angisa experience paseka yini fana ngawe wena
tanga. Ngibuza ukuthi nebuhali na.
Ngiphelile lento yenzayo.
Ngiphelile lento. Ngiyabuza tanga ngiyazibuzela tanga mina ngiyabuza
ubuza
general question
ukuthi
nebuhali necwana
tanga via fire mna tanga yiki kwa ngicwa shukuthi yakena the way ufa is so musical abroad angakhona ne shukuthi abangathi for example angithi socula naye for example tanga ne masathi sicula no Tamati for example You understand? 1-on-1. Yambo utume ngesifila. Ufire angashaya isifila se-Infamous. Cabanga nto kanjani? Asikenzela ese-Infamous, right?
Sure, yes.
Cabanga ke ifila. Kulapho i-Infamous ingacula isifila mfana nguso ngenxa yalo muntu lo. To show ukuthi emfethu what you doing akhe ngisuthi.
Yeah, ikinto ihlulufaya kahle.
You understand? Anyway. Tanga lo muntu lo can blend in tanga as ukuthi okay nihamba kanje. Uzohamba kanje mara ngesidlela se-Infamous.
Oh yeah, no.
You understand? So this one ngithi mina tanga ufaya angabhekana na yonke
be quiet
regardless of the support.
Oh, nani be quiet.
I don't find ourselves tanga as a be quiet.
But then ninga face ama be quiet.
Singa face.
Yeah, we can stand our grounds.
Asisimele yabona tanga ukuthi usimele mfana tanga ufaya mncane. Maka angasimela kubo puti na bomkhulu mfana lo. Stuko tanga nasi.
Oh, niyocula neBitcoin nge22 vele.
Yeah.
Le tanga. Asikala yini na.
Oh, tanga mama wathi Bitcoin.
Okay, ngokubuza tanga. Kahle tanga ungibalela ama-Bitcoin tanga.
Ama-Bitcoin.
Wala.
Ama-Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Dayide senze Infamous inhlakanipho. Lathwathu.
Thank you.
Okay.
Like
on,
mina
sure.
I received tanga. Yo, yabo abathi ungazibona wena ulapha then omunye umuntu ukubona ule. As much as ukuthi umuntu ungazitshela ukuthi uyayenza into kanti awuyenzi.
Atanga i-Infamous itop for mina tanga.
Okay njami mara bathi ngingasazibuza leyo.
Itop tanga.
Okay, tanga itop ngaziphi indlela njami?
Show music kwayo uhlukile.
Yeah, okay.
Different music tanga sure.
So shoot wena
Yena tanga kahle nakwazi ukuthi sifila nisibeke ngendlela yeni. Sibuye sibe mnandi.
Into ozoyithola nge22 leyo. Hayi original. Or what you call it trendy. Yeah.
Onyene atana spice into tani.
Yeah.
Ibe ngendlela yini. Njobe sekashilo ukuthi bayi-copy and paste yani Joyous.
Yeah, thina siyicopy.
Oh nina, nada uFamous ne?
Yeah, sure. Thina mina tanga ayingithi into nje tanga ngisho more umuntu there's a person you gotta look up to. Futhi as umuntu odila ngomculo njalo. I-background yakho khona lo muntu kumele akukhuthaze. You understand? Khona umuntu amacanga music ucabanga yena kucala. You understand? That person who uplifts you.
Maka tanga thina singcono tanga si-copy and paste on our own industry again.
Tanga ezinye izinto man tanga it's a situation yokuthi ku right omunye umuntu akaseta ama results wakhe about a different choir, but then for another person, different person to do the very same thing inkinga lento le singazi ukuthi why ngisasho maybe ukuthi abanankinga nathi labantu mbonile
Abobani.
I don't know, people nje.
Oh.
Yeah.
Abanankinga nathi.
Abanankinga nathi,
banankinga no fire. Tanga yazi why tanga sisho kaso. Echo masiposta le video leya akekho no you1. My talk no you1. Ngize ngiyabatshela kuma comments mongocheka leya apology ka fire. Ngize ngiyabatshela kuma comments. Guys, if you want someone to blame is on game.
So yeah,
ngize ngithi angize ngithi yani kubajita or iyakulo khulumini izani kimi lo oyipostile lo the owner of the channel,
the founder,
you understand izani kimi akekho no you1.
Ngise abana ufana nangama fake accounts uzoyibona le fake account.
Instead abantu abeza kimi abantu abahlekayo
abantu yakena namjo yakena njumna ne instead ngithola ama-6 abantu abafethi lento eninza like sharp, you understand? Nomuntu one I don't know ngithi unani yakhe maka une production or in like media yakhe wazuta ebafethu le strategy le marketing strategy sine yiso cause nisubisele move.
Sure.
You understand?
Like
nisubisele move because lento abeyenziwa kudala
because dankhona amanye amakhorista kwamanye amakhaya angikwadele mfethu like into ebhaya ngifuna ukuthi ngidilithele ya video.
Akwatela.
Oh yeah, this is like abasilandile.
Tanga bafethu athi nginibuze tanga since ngiculela Infamous no2 ne. there were members ebengwabona emavideo nokudala bewaculela nina but then manje ngwabona kunhlakanipho what happened
ayi-one lo
uyi-one
ayi-one
ungenwe yini
None yathi ngicela futhi yabona lo uyazazi uze noPaseka asombiza umphendule mba ukuthi ungenwe yini athi yakina in a way nini
mhlawumbe usuke wathanda music ka
no
yakina
nje
because we
yazi
platform ukuthi umdladla I think bebane conflict nyana nabajida angisho umdladla ucula ibass so ngathi bekungana kuzwana nyana between bona nabajida I think
sure
so I think into emkhubazile because the other day bathuke wakhala fire wathi yena khoyini for a reason ukuthi ngathi abajida bebathi grand yena makasho so lamaka nabo abajida bane reasoning yabo ehlukile but because my school ngomdladla sokutshela reasoning yakhe
so I affectanga dala ndaba ukuthi unchide nani azange nimlandelele nimbuzo ukuthi
no tanga kahle mfethu ekhwayene losing members is not an issue you understand because like music is the issue
music
singaba
i-10 nje miss
shayita enye into tangi
singaba grand
then sibe 86 uhlulile abantu abayi-10 tanga number doesn't matter but the music
into bengisayisho ukuthi number ayisho next
music dog
mara tanga mina ngokubona kwami ne
inumber is just isithunzi
isithunzi
inesithunzi
inumber isithunzi tanga
phela ngingagcwala lapha stage mara ngicula nonsense
yes tanga phela tanga leyiphina
phela ngigcwala lapha
tanga phela inumber ukuthi nje imvalo uhlazo ukuthi ngibancane
uthi ngibancane
ukuba abaningi doesn't mean ukuthi nahlaba understand
mara
ejam phela esuchi
good example nje
bahlaba udlula abantu abaningi
mara like bayingcusana
bancanyana
mara and tanga like mina I prefer tanga khoyena abantu abancane
hayi nami yo
because like music I think sound clean like khona le choir lengithanda ngiyimamelayo kulamalanga
almighty blessed ngiyakena hayi almighty
shokeza angasaba isho ndoda ugeza baba ungayimoni ndoda uyisho ungamna mahlona usaba abantu
ayawuthile ikhuluma ngayo la
ingane khona
okay khuluma ngayo Angelic Sounds danga ithola
like us
akusiya like us Angelic Sounds dog leyakhwela abekho baphaya danga bancane mara my dog
bayalahlela
my dog
I know
my dog like music wabo ukhiwa ngiconfuse ngaze ngayobuza ufaka ngithi fire mafuna ukuyenza yini igama lento yabafithi abayenza angitshela thaya mawatho
ayazazi yena ufanjo uzokutshela mfana
awuthile
ngizokutshela lamagama mabona no la
kwena isikula ngescale kahle
scale
just scale esengqondweni ka-fire
aleta ngizokutshela zonke ukuthi
la ngitshela
nge-F what
like
F court
Hello ngikuqala ekwele sicula ngathi usenza amaband ufire kahle in a way usenza ama trumpet namawa
hayi abosigaba dundu
ongela kancane wena ngamagiya ngama bass guitar so tanga dundu leyakhwele tanga bancane ne maka umusic wabo unice so that's why ngithi I prefer tanga sometimes ukuthi ikhwaya ibe incane but icula into emnandi kana ukuthi ikhwaya ibe yiningi
cula umphetho
but icula umphetho mara ikhona ikhwaya eningi actually ayi2 angiculela kamnandi
mhlawumbe
izing feminine saints njaya
zing kawfela
ayifanayi ayidawuzo lokukhuluma mama angisho bathi awume wena man uthile ngapha yakwazi nokucula shukuthi danga like us ne like us like us njalo angisho sithi maye wonke umuntu une own perspective yakhe ne danga hlahle truly speaking almighty blessed mina ngiyazi manje njengoba ukhona danga
uyikena manje wena ne no da kena
mara
uza kuchazisele kahle
okay ngichazisele danga
Almighty Blessed angikhwaya kudala khona
Mara uReza ngiyamkena
Yeah.
just bengazi ukuthi ikhwaya yakhe iAlmighty nayo uReza bangitshele ngaye namhlanje ngitshela ukuthi akhona
should my danga iAlmighty angikhwaya kudala bekhona ne
Yeah.
so uReza waba nenkinga izama-chorista ama-chorista wa-matriculate by that time njengoba abantwana besikela abantu bayaspana ama-night shift nanani abakhoni uku-attend ama-rehearsal wathini ngcono siboneni 2026 January kahle or February
wayikhwaya lisiye kahle
hayi sikhwaya liseka ufuna ukuthini
Angithi ngikhulumela phezulu ayisho ukuthi ngikhulumela phezulu kwamagama wakhe
ngithi mina uReza
Yeah.
wadecide ukuthi ayivali ikhwaya
yeah
njengoba
Ayibeke on hold.
yeah on hold kahle kahle
Now
so
it
ibona
has resumed.
2026 yeah
okay
Ibuyile.
So,
So,
as in like
if I
as in
can,
like
for example,
Yeah.
PSK, the return of PSK.
oh yeah
Yeah, so singasho ukuthi like similar examples.
so namhlanje ngifirst Reza lethu tanga
first
yeah kule
How?
2026
Tangamaye mawuthi ngiyakumamela kanti bowuthi ngimamelana
ayangisazi ke mina
mawuthi first
ayangisazi
mina ngisazi now my dog mawuthi
Oh, now
ngiyakumamela
ni reza ngama Wednesday ne. Phela.
phela
Ngamanje
ngamanje
siye ta.
yeah ngamanje
Wednesday kuphela tanga
Ngamanje siye ngama Wednesday phela.
Suthi ngavela namhlanje ngishanya ni video nyana
Yeah, kuyinyana.
hayi manje sikangavumela abanye abantu asikavumela abanye abantu uma sisiready ukuze ungeza
awungimeme nje awungimeme ngiyashaya icontent yami amakwaya
namhlanje ngabe ngithi ngizoshaya live namhlanje ye-rehearsal manje
uyabona
ngiyabona
tangamaye tanga kanjani because wena uthi ungamelana neSaints and iSaints ngama first rehearsal kulayileta khona kakhulu manje wena mawuthi
angazifunguzwile ngithi mina nge-first rehearsal obvious angisho sisahlanganisa music nama-voice wethu samela buyi
yeah iSaints nayo yenza kanjalo first rehearsal
anginandaba neSaints or bayenzani anginandaba
lawathile
mara tanga ngiyancanya tanga iSaints tanga live
Sinistanga shopping.
oyintswembu
uyala
ukudlula nini
hayi lapha ngivumelana nawe
awu uthi inswembu
And then paseke amuthi ukudlula nina ne. Ufuna like wena okay wena according to you wena. According to you ne. According to you wena ke.
asingayile nale tanga iSaints i-top tanga
it's a big choir
yashaya
marufaya
Angamela.
fire ngamela
angamela
plaza
Asithi
That guy is musically intelligent.
I feel like tangane njalo thina amasizo maybe so khuluma angoreza ne.
Yeah.
Sifake ufire. Kuba ngathi sidelela loyo muntu lo.
That's why but in the podcast they infernal.
You understand? I feel because obviously like we are choristers from there.
Yeah.
That's why if there's a person who feel like alaba nami ngiqiniso about lo like about bona.
Yeah. And guys to clarify something wonke umuntu oculela eSaints choir uzoyimela ichoir yakhe akekho umuntu ozothi uzoyikhulumela like njengoba ashintanga ukuthi Almighty Blessed and uzokhuluma
into oyikhalelayo ukuthi kungabe kuyiyo
like
khuluma into vele osho ngayo
Like.
I'm sure ukuthi ufire angamela uplaza. You understand?
abadanga asikho
kedanga sithi infernals ngameli Saints
Okay, yeah, so singathi yabo.
Yeah.
Ngathi amagama yinkinga kuba ngathi angazi angazi and
Kuba ngathi
it's
siyadelela.
not ukuthi ukudelela. Yangisho ifaka ukuthi uzothi uReza angamelana nonke umuntu.
mawuthi wonke umuntu bala no fire
Yeah, like angisho like yena
atawume ba
perspective angisho uzokuthi hayi mina uReza kwa yonke angamelana naye. You understand?
uzokhulumela ikhwaya yakho
Exactly. Hayi ukuthi ubadeli wathi umntana omncane lo ekubeni umdala. You understand? Ekubeni umdala uthi umntana
into
omncane.
esingayisho
Ufana loya. Awunana.
asidanga uchaza ukuthini ukuthi mhlawumbe uSipho uPutsipho sorry
Sipho yes.
yeah danga ngiyamhlonipha
Yeah, Goodman.
asikho isidingo sokuthi uPutsipho akwade nini namanithi angeke anihlule angisho ukubona kwenu ukuthi thina singayimela iTheSaints asikho isidingo sokuthi laba bafana bayanti
You understand? It's the way angisho sasingakhona lo muntu osiholayo.
sure
yeah
Na angafika umuntu anga eSaints ahlala abafethu plaza uyahlala. angeke sithi mfethu
ayesimpikise
man nathi ngisho sokuthi mfethu like it's fine mara ufike uzokumela. You understand? Ngabi tanga ukuthukwana. No, ifana lento tanga uthi you gonna put tanga 2 cars and usho ukuthi yipe plan ke ifana njengantanga for example tanga there's this advert tanga between Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Yakena tanga abantu abayithu tanga labo tanga who are actually competing.
Coca-Cola and Pepsi.
Coca-Cola and Pepsi.
Mara sonke siyazi ukuthi Coca-Cola ngani.
Yeah, sure.
Beka ukuthi company Pepsi ngibanga pepe. Uyazi ukuthi Coca-Cola imnane uma kabheka iPepsi yenzani.
Dog.
Ifana ukuthi uyazi ukuthi ureza uyenzani ureza ne. Mina ngizothi akena ufaka uzoyenzani. Ngibeka ezi advert example. Shuthi kufika into encane to that machine tanga yamakhola bona those machines wakudala ukuthi you insert money you press then
bese iphumela lapha phansi.
It's a vending machine.
Yeah, a vending machine.
So it happens ukuthi into encane yavaye yathenga iCandy Coke. Okay, sure. Thenga linye. Sure, akenenza.
Yeah.
Thatha la makena othenga intwana ngisho. Thatha la makena othenga ongaphezu kwayo. Wow, wethu yathenga futhi uyafaka imali akentsingani iPepsi yavala sashiya la makena
esana
uthenga la makena ukuthi
awagibele azokhona let's ayifunayo
yo
that's tanga disrespect second advert leyo mfana that's like literally disrespect you understand
and might thina siyenze kanje
might thina tanga asiyenze kanje ukuthi si like
telelile
Takusema once yo tanga like litrata into short yafika lapha tanga insert tanga Coke futhi Coke yamaphezulu ngithi hawu uma phezulu kanti uthe ethi Pepsi taphuma ta Pepsi yavala ayithatha la makena savaliyo shothi umuntu odlulayo uzothatha free Coke it's pointless to him. You understand? If I thought ukuthi it might happen ukuthi mina ngithi other choirs are pointless for me. It might happen ukuthi kuwe your choir is the most visible one but then others are pointless because of uyayithanda ngisho maka mina I do have learned ukuthi there's some other choirs out there that bahlaba like planned and they don't have recognition.
Yeah,
Yimapi akakhone this upcoming choirs njalo. There's some upcoming choirs down
some upcoming choirs are push
banga etanga man bangabhekisa tanga ichoir enkulu phansi. Understand? Because there's some things thina ezigroup infamous kisa yizwe bathi angeke bacule nathi ngoba singabantwana. Yeah, ipikhwale ayayisho yalethembisa
esithembisa
siyala ekhasi
sasha ekhasi ungacabanga izinhlema hayi khuleka angeke lezi zinja lezi angiyangithola so ungacabanga nini IMM hayi siyo angithola yasho le out ngithola yeah itanga angifuna ngisho abantu badanga maye yabona maye
ngoba bathatha izinto
sitanga sesikhuluma kabuhlungu manje
senisikhulumisa
kabuhlungu manje so tanga ale outlet tanga ne yasho tanga 99 yatshela umphathi wethu ukuthi hayi ngicela ngabantwana ku music mase kunabantwana mina kimakena tanga le tanga ngithatha as a defeat because maybe usaba ukuthi yo uzongibukisa ngapha ndoda yo like abantu bayangazi yo abantu abangazi yeah then uzodifisa umntana omncane like game ngithatha because angiyeta imusic uzodanga ngabantwana music
akekho
fana music fana ungathi fana una 68 mfana angina 16 slingana
music
hayi via ngikushaya futhi so lo tanga like umntana omncane so ku music tanga doesn't have age only thinking think outside the box
tanga ukatanga ukubuza tanga
awe
kula makwaya la ethwatha imaphi ongawabeka ku top 3 wena
top 3
yeah la ethwatha
Infernos ne the sense ngiyifaka lapho
yeah hayi noma yini
okay
top 3
njami
ngilinda number 3 vele
Sekabali
yo and then number 1 still number 1
okay number 1 tanga Infernos that actually kahle Infernos iphezulu kwa number 1 so it's
uyibeka ngaphezulu
phezulu kwa number so number 1 Saints
number 1 Saints
yeah number
1 number 1 wakhe Infernos
le phezulu kwa number 1 le number singayazi so ilaphi Infernos
okay number 1 the
Saints number 2
yibo mfana akekho umuntu
Abobani?
Hayi inhlakanipho tanga.
Asikithi.
Hayi inhlakanipho. Tanga inhlakanipho tanga. Yabona ufuna ukuyisho na. Ufuna ukuyelela leta.
Let me cook. Number 2.
Obvious yibo.
Hey,
Number 2. Abangiculela kamnandi ngithi.
ongababeka wena ku top 3 yakho.
Sounds of 1520. Number 2.
No, let's what? Let's what?
Hayi, number 2. Okay, the Saints number 1, number 2 is K-Fast. Number 3
In ultimate or
Ultimate.
khona na niba ikagho yini?
Khona inspiration.
Ibekagho nje. Inbeka.
Tangazi,
Bayikha-
kwayabo 1000 yakudala.
Yeah, dali khona.
Yeah, dali khona. But then ngike angazi ngabezwe itho.
Yeah.
But then abafithi ngathi ngike ngabezwe inspiration so yeah, I'll put my boys there.
Oh, okay, they say
They say it's K-Fast and then inspirational voices.
chayile ka.
Chayi.
Tanga wena. Top 3 yakho
So
ndaba.
obviously tanganye wisho ikhwaya yakho mfana.
Qala
So
ngiyami.
sala angiyami.
Number 1.
Number 2, I'll go for obviously like 4 K-Fast of the Nyogas.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Oh.
I cannot ngiyafisa ukuthi ngathi they can give them that chance. I can.
Alechero yala sera,
Just they
apply.
can give it like a like serious chance.
Oh, Joe.
Number 2 dabo sayini?
No, so nti K-Fast.
Number 1 say.
Number 1 say.
Yimi
Oh,
obvious.
yeah.
Number 3.
Number 3 tangane. I'll just go for the Saints.
Number 3 umbe
Yeah, because I'll never leave out a choir that was my first experience hearing Clapping Tap live.
Asiye kuwe ke nje yami.
Kuwe ke.
Asiye. Maka wena excluding your choir.
Yeah, ngifaka.
Oh.
Light
See,
what?
lights what?
Lights what?
Tanga mina ngizoba honest tanga nemina.
You want
Number 1 tanga. Number 1 tanga for mina tanga it is Saints tanga.
Yeah.
It's what?
Shout out to Saints. Yeah, man.
Ish.
Amahlozi wethu la phela light what?
It is Saints tanga ne?
Yes.
Ngizobuya ku
The
number 1.
insistence.
Aneta. Sure, ngizobuya ku number 1 tanga. Number 2 tanga. Tamna ayikaf tanga ngizoba honest tanga.
Iba honest nje yami.
Number 2 tanga beka inhlakanipho.
Okay,
Number 2
my dog, yeah.
Number 2 tanga beka inhlakanipho tanga ne. Number 3 Infernos tanga.
Hey, banna. Hey, banna.
Siyo tanga top 3 yami yala etswathu.
Engivele nga Chester yazi for like 8 seconds.
Askis tanga patena being honest. tanga.
Akantunu ufuna abantu bangababizi.
Awu ndoda.
Tanga ngisho indlebe zakhe tanga, indlebe zethu.
Yeah, asifanda. Yeah, yabona manje so.
Asifanda
Ngicela nje, ngicela umduduza.
So,
Yeah,
untwana tanga phela
Hayi la ungiduduzile la. Athi indlebe zethu asifanda.
Okay. Okay,
Hayi la
phela
ungiduduzile tanga.
bala okay, light what bala ne mara ukhiphi Saints.
Ngikiphi?
Bala 2, bala 1. Bala 1.
Your best choir, your best.
Bala 1.
Like what?
Mankipa yini?
Makipi saying.
No,
Saints.
yeah, bala 1. I must keep it Saints. Because he epic tanga light what. According to me.
Yeah, yive.
Yeah.
I have to go ne Infernos tanga.
You are your best.
Your best.
Best for me.
Light what for where?
Yeah. Must keep it the Saints.
Yeah, I must keep it Saints. Should see if as a fara sit number 2, should when ayoketha
Hey, shayile la.
the Infernos.
Ah, no.
Shayile la. Ela bakushayile la hayi.
Shushu ukuthi if mine sayifaka iSaints and the seat ketha 2 wena shuthi kuwe iSaints ne Infernos.
Tanga no so ibeke ngani? So ibeke ngani?
No, tang we from number 3. Are you sure are we from tanga from the choirs?
Ngikupile tanga uthulile nje boyifuna. Awukupile tanga.
Ema ushuthi bathi ukugopile nje yaya.
Tanga like uze wenze nokuthi ngikhulume nento ebengafuni uyikhuluma.
Oh, ngifike njengabanye phela le.
Bengafuni.
Ngifike njengabanye lento. Tanga ngisho sibe abu 3 tanga are you from saying ukuthi the Saints Nhlakanipho Infernos.
Then wakhipha isenzo wathi mention one.
Keep it Saints like mention one wathi
Infernos.
Infernos. It's okay. Buseli Saints ke man sithi ketha 2. Shuthi Saints ne Infernos.
Tanga omunye umbuzo dawulandelayo.
Na, phendula wona lo.
Uyababa lo shukuthi.
Yeah, no, sure tanga.
Oh, shuthi. Okay,
Okay.
asikasi ke manje.
Sikasi.
Sikasi.
Mention
Three.
3 best.
Ethetho.
Ibikhiphe yakho.
Oh, I keep.
Okay, fine.
Akayifaki.
Yakho.
Angizoqala ngayo via.
Okay, okay, number 2.
Number 2 tanga. Buhali batumela.
Number 3.
Harmony Singers.
Bala 2.
Ekima wo before bala 2 nje yami. Out of 10, how much do you rate Ibuhali Batumela?
Ngayika i6 tanga.
Where's the other 4?
Because bacula isifila kakhulu yabona.
Nathi you on the same page.
Yeah, basha isifila too much.
Straight, like very straight.
Yeah.
Asiye siwele sesingathi ngoma simamela bo like lesi angithi like ayeke le angithi mina like they don't know how to sing. No, they can. They know how to sing. Ukuthi nje yabona emini isifila sangihlula tanga but isakatama ngasimamela because it's some type of way like yena the way asinga khona isifila the way singazi ukuthi kanjani uyenza ngathi sibe interesting like into straight la umntwana ushaya into straight alokho man le shine into straight mara
Mara niyashada.
Understand? Yeah, okay.
Then Harmony Singers out of 10.
Harmony tang ngayika 7.5 tang. Yeah. Because nabo basha isifila but then music kwabo mnandi nabo. Njengoba usho ukuthi abaqhaqa masabantu esikhulu ngofana. Music kwabo mnandi yawo enjoy.
Yes.
Harmony yabona.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Asibekekela. Bala 2 from Ekas. Keep quiet yakho la.
Ay Harmony ni Buhali tang.
Okay, bala 1.
Bala 1 the best Ekas.
The
best.
Ekas.
That's why you play with Buhali.
This one say
Tang wathi ngibuye kubantu ke wangibona khona.
Dame bangazi ikufanele.
like isho ukuthi ayakufanele.
Yangifanele.
Mama abathi baseka ucwelaphi like isho ukuthi yena ufikela
Ngifikela eBuhali.
Oh. No, tanga ngiyethanda tayibuhali batumela tanga. Angina ghost nayo tanga ngincane. Ikho grand tanga yabona tanga.
Yakena abantu tanga ngathi I feel like when it comes to members ngathi mina ngithi members of Infamous ne if they gonna do something give they take it as udlami in a way.
Yeah, thina masoyenza something vele.
It's like it's like we trying to like prove something anyway ukuthi impethu like like kamampela ezinzi like qiniso jo yakena ufay like is really creative like kamampela like ibafethu lang angabheja nangemali yami sithi ibafethu sithatheni bonke abaphathi iban creative na abe creative uzobona ukuthi kamampela lento tanga isekazini yalomphakathi ukuthi ingoma tanga yenze ngenye indlela tanga.
It's about time man.
It's about time because it's like tanga untwana akayazi into uyayikena tanga. Uyayikena tanga.
Ngizokuthiwa khona ba conductor shama chorista lana yini. Angazi ngizwile.
Ashama chorista like.
Yeah tanga. Like uthi mocula amasimo kushanga impama manje tanga. Like
manje.
Like so snow man.
Bakhona ama conductor abashanada ukuthi like manje ngishaya isicima manje.
Okay like akuthuke baby so mina ngithuka ngiyabayo ngisabuyela like yiwana.
Akuthuka ngiyakubona ungishaya.
Akuthuka nami ngiyakubona ta.
Ungishaya.
Yo ngishaya.
Uzinofana nokusithuka mos.
Ya nosithuka my atazi khona inhlobo donke ezidlulile ta. Khona inhlobo futhi ngizwa
abaphelela la.
Bala ka futhi kabona futhi ka ngeke kodwa futhi ta you understand.
Kita
Streamer tanga uyizwe tanga uyithatha.
Tanga mabasho abantu bayakhuluma.
Ikho yakuble.
Angikenta.
Yakuble light
what?
Yes.
So bengifisa ngelithi mhlawumbe niyakena ngithi ningitshele mhlawumbe ukuthi khona iconduct eshaya ama chorista nani ngithi mhlawumbe niyakena bengifuna ukubuza nini vele.
Tanga serious.
Ayikho into enikenani.
Hayi mfana me. Tanga mina yabona tanga ne one thing for sure I'll tell you njamne. Music it's all about ukufunda. Ane that's number 1. Number 2 sipana ngabantu abangafani.
Yeah,
khona ukuthathela kude for abami njalo. Khona nje fast kanje. Sacedile. Understand? So as
kuba physically
a conductor sipana nabantu bangafani. As kufana ukuthi if you're going to be a teacher, esipana nabantwana abangafani khona smart, khona dumb. You understand?
So someone uyayipromote le nto leyo conduct. Ila ama-comments.
I don't tanga mina bona streamer angiyavaya tanga these other choirs
nalaba abashaya abantwana ngebhandi
akonjani
tanga bekhona tanga like kuma school choir ngiyibonile mina leyo wile
esha okay angebhandi kuphi
esandleni tanga like it like
musinafa ika
tanga ufaka sishanga tanga
ngebhandi
ebhandi kushayile fa
bongekho na ndoda last year tanga before
ufayashana
tanga melatsine
ithula isukuza le kuyashaya oh yashaya
uthi besimela behave mara
shuthi ile le tanga alumuntu lo tanga ne like it takes time for him to get angry also leto ekayenza akusinto ayijwayele ekacha uyenza into so
tanga mina last time I check i-punishment kafaya ingasivele bekuyi-punishment lithi amazosiguqisa ngamato azobaguqisa
ukutuza
babaculisa tanga
kuhaming ngithola cule bona mina wena kuhaming yocula tangufaka wena shuthi bufika lita wona yes done that dog like ayizange uyisi khwana to le maka angathi mfana ubahlaba ngempama ngiyazi
angabalima tanga hayi
bangavaya abantu abangavata ngeke tanga like angisho tanga ngisho sonke tanga are we not perfect
wrong
angisho sonke are we not perfect silafu ukufunda
ngisho nasesikolweni tanga uthi amakazofundisa mayibhodini khona umntana obamba manje
ubamba kudala
studishe kibo ngiyibona
so I gotta be patient abona
ngidawenzayo
mina eklazini
ila ngatangane amuso wamphatha kumina ube inhliziyo ngani
yeah
mina because you do umuntu stubborn yabo tanga things like that different personalities different characters tanga yabantu lo nje ayi sonke safana bona ngabe besifana ngabe ama ideas awekho emhlabeni
ne
ngabe sifana taso siyafana ngokufana kuyafana mse ama idea bathi okay asicabangeni into ehlukile sonke uzocabanga into eyi-1
esenze into eyi-1 so
engeke kube ne way forward so that's why uNkulunkulu asenza ukuthi singafani singacabanga nangokufana
singaculi
ngokufana singabambi nangokufana so uyazibona
so tanga i-Inferno Star ama stage nikhipha imali transport
yeah asekhipha
nikhipha imali yokudla
ngono ikhipha suka
no babethi ayibona thina sikhipha imali yokudla tanga sikhipha imali transport sikhipha imali uniform
tanga thina kahle tanga thina
why tanga ufaya anhlukumeza kanje tanga
yo
unqoda ukuthi asihlukumeze lapho maka musical angasihlumisi
no tanga kena yazi kwenzakalani ne
let me clarify that
amakhaya bhayada ngadlulile la tanga
kuphi
la sidlule khona
oh yeah cale ko wena pase kazo yenza tibe awukazi ngingalambi
tanga ulamba nawe
uye bana uye eshowini
sure bengi
ya awusa
ya mata hayi tanga unyaka omusha tanga siphucukeni
alisikhoinile le ayila usikhonile la
tanga no like okay emavari tanga ikhwaya tanga mele sustain yona tanga ngizokutshela ivari tanga ibhaya tanga imali niyenza emacoin tanga ibhaya imali niwinayo nani
yeah kena the thing is ne thina i-disadvantage yethu ngamashow abhayi
or ukuthi nini imali yama-tickets niyayidla or
akekho dla imali
awaningi imali
akekho dla imali the thing is mase kumele sikhiphe imali ne obvious tanga uyawazi ama-chorist akusiwo wonke umuntu ozokhipha
yeah these people who doesn't
ekhoyeni tanga maybe nizokhipha tanga maybe nihamba niyi-60 it's all ni-60 maybe i-5 izokhipha imali ephelele i-5 izokhipha imali half and then the rest of the 50 sivaya mangobe
nothing tanga ngikubuza tanga napaseka yini into ongayithandi ngekhaya yakho ayithandi ngokuba like maybe shuthi as a whole kwaya shuthi ubala konke as a whole kwaya yinto ongayithandi okay so usitshile izinto uzithanayo kwaya ukuthi awubhadala transport uniform eating food soft life
nje ama uyishowini
yini izinto
tanga into engingasho ukuthi angithandi tanga ikhwaya yami tanga ne ukuthi mhlawumbe ama chorist amantombazana frontline kakhulu
Yeah, yabona tanga into namacheri phakathi tanga ngathi ayikazi yalunga tanga hayi
frontline tanga yasogola
bayaficana bonke why
Hayi,
yini okay wena kuwe yini iflock nge front line kuwe
angenda mara bocheri tanga bazwana tanga I think or bayamonelana or khambani tanga
into le tanga tikonke tanga
ngathi wonke amakhwaya
ayo
sonke
siwonke
ngithi sonke amakhwaya abocheri bayamonelana ta uma ngabheka abajita siyakhona ukuhlala kanje sisonke
Sinahle ba
abanye
man echo yakena yiyo kunimizamo kulungiswa lewile ayilungi nje ayilungi lento yama group le yiyo isikhawathana
sure
I go right like I go right impela cause
shayela inye point akena la
akena why it's because ukuthi my kuyaplana ukukhona phakathi ngizwa
abocheri kahle kahle vela bekho right yazi
abekho grand kahle
ayabocheri
kodwa tanga yini into ongayithandi tanga
mina nge-infernos yabona ngisho ukuthi okay mina ngokwami ngisho leyo iqedwe kuyibala ithona
onayo
it's one of those tanga yeah nathi sibhekane nayo tanga and then enye into engayithandi tanga ukuthi tanga ekhaya tanga asina same vision or same goal. You understand? Khona abatreat ichoir as a hobby. You understand?
Sure.
Just go there because you're bored.
Yeah, because you're bored.
Or you got nothing to do.
Push his card.
Yeah, just to push his card. It's all. And then asisectile ukucula uphuma sangathandazi nokuthandaza. You understand? Yanchinya vele mina leyo ile tanga. Yabora tanga. Iphula wana spirit because khona uhlala kude tanga. Mara uzomela ukuthi thandazwe yonke into
mara wena uhlala khona la
mama you understand and then khona abayitreat tanga abafuna lento ibe maybe i-career kubo tanga like kube tanga into esiphila ngayo
iphupho lakhe kahle
njengami so tanga mina vele ngiyafisa tanga ukuthi ichoir tanga kube tanga i-career tanga you understand kube into ifaki income kube yo nje yami ngobhlungu tanga sokuthi angwazi tanga ithiwa
ufaka she akafafu imami ungayeka mpala
like ngiyafisa tanga yabona afana nabathi
wagcina uphumuthela thina mfana singakaya ispan sethu mfana hayi sonke
you understand amikhathi so tanga aish asiboni ngokufana tanga ekhwayeni and then enye into engayithandi tanga ukuthi tanga abanye bethu asinithatha ufire serious nje yami le outhi le ayina ama big dreams tanga le yakhwaya
understand le outhi ingaya kude
ingqondo tanga like le outhi jo
ngakude kamambela
if ever tanga masingabambisana tanga yabona ikhwaya tanga sibambisane senze into eyi-1
into eyi-1
siyenze into eyi-1 nje yami
sinake izinto emele sizinake the important things siyekele ukuthi lo wenzani akanjani you understand ifana kene nane ngempilo don't mind or don't even look ukuthi lo impilo yakhe yenzakala what about your life you understand that's my point ukuthi emfethu inkinga ne and kakhulu it's goals
abocheri tanga
abocheri tanga always
we be facing that in the morning
ngiblame abona kahle
we be facing that in the morning
abocheri
hayi
futhi umuntu anganaka into ekude naye ekude engamfaki nokumfaka into emfakayo angayinaki and angayilungisi afuna ukulungisa into engamfuni engamfuni nakancane imfaka nakancane negatives yabona at least but there's a drop of water in that particular cup or mug kube at least there's something ekufakayo I don't think like there's even not even a single drop ekufakayo ukuthi le yakufuna ukuthi you can interfere. There's some things like as a group, as a whole, you can't interfere. There's some things that you can interfere, and there's some things that you nama and some other people which they can interfere.
Keda asingene endabeni nje office ya. Bona manje singene endabeni manje. Singene endabeni da manje ngizama. Ana sibuyele kule ndaba ye podcast yenu le trendile lena.
Oh yeah, let's
it'll come back, don't worry.
So danga ipoint yami bese ngeke kodwa isidingo sokuthi niphatheke kabi ngokuthi ijuice yenzeni. And so esikoleni dama ungesikoleni manje uzothola umama uthengisa amatamati nala
bathengisa amatamati.
Umuntu uzothenga la thanda khona.
Yeah.
So even if ujuice urelease le yangoma leyana nani bese ni release
okay.
Angazi ngisho ngizotraining ndaba ukuthi ngazi ukutshela ingoma kwenza ngala.
Okay. Let me clarify something. Ngicela ukubekisa nga something dane. Ungibone wena kahlahlo ungayithatha kanjani. Okay.
Yeah.
Yiphi ta favorite song yakho ta ngekhwayeni yakho?
Ekhwayeni Masibulele
nje yami. Yini arrangeile da arrangeile. Okay fine. You arrange a song nje yami. Like ngicala from scratch.
Siqala phansi.
Nina nicala phansi like cracking ingqondo like leyo rehearsal niyathukwa. You understand out yami? Like niyathukwa kuleyo rehearsal. Yini la inispanayo? Relax relax.
Yakena ngithi ukclever something yabona akakhuluma kahle ukuthi ukukhuluma through experience hayi kufaya
ngikhulumela
leso ngithi lo muntu akangendawo maninda yabo
kuleya ngendawo
abayazi bakhuluma mina
okay tangu
sangichazisela like niyayispana leyo nambi Masibulele ne sakhuzura nje yami la kuyacabanga and then eyafika utsha vakashele rehearsal uyayizwa lengoma ayithola seyipolishiwe seyimnandi ayithola record or anga record afike maybe no Cherry 1 ucula soprano Cherry 1 ucula alto 110 yeah like into ezingakanjalo understand or anibukele showini ayithola and then utshawu nekhwaya ayithola and then afike ekhwayeni yakhe exactly
no you cannot do it exactly now.
That's my point.
But then you can take a song.
Guy, njami, nayi indaba.
So uzama ukungitshela ukuthi wena
check, watch the full video, you will see what I'm talking about. Angithi wena uyibonanga full video?
No, angibonanga.
Ayibonanga full video.
But usazokeep.
Yeah, nginethemba lalokho.
Keep. Ngizotshela admin ukuthi I approve it.
Hayi, no, check, yasizwenzane. I'll create a page. Go Facebook, no filter chat updates.
And akekho uzokutshela.
Elami. Yabona ngento zami.
Akusiyele imfenosi.
Akusiyele imfenosi. Yabona njani ngento zami. Uzobona ke bekunobuso bami, maybe nobuso bakantanga. Ayithola because you are the co-host ayithola. Then ngizobeka ubuso bami nobakatshada. Ngento yami njani like angeke uzongitshela.
Because nangapha another thing tanga here tanga neshuthi iflop la ukuthi yo si promote shoot okay itangiamna tanga I don't know lento abaxanga tanga abafethu because like shukuthi umuntu azokhuluma kahle shothi lo muntu lo he knows nokuthi yenzani kanjani awazingeta ngisasho ukuthi ngina almost 3 years ngilapha ekhaya you understand so ezinye izinto tanga neshuthi thina ngiyazifaka phela nawo because abengikhona ngisho shukuthi thina akhonthi nabo abafethu yangizona si promote ngento bongamelanga sipromote ngayo
that's the
show you understand that si promote ngento bongamelanga sipromote ngayo
kahle le video kahle bemele sikhiphe after a show so kahle so because my kuba ngathi
so usheshile uyikhiphe video
ngisheshile inkinga beyishisa jo
beyishisa
nambe imshisa like yo dog like yo yeah but then Jayami that's how we close it up otherwise it's your boy Mr. Wakapiti YLTD aka MC become number 7 Changane.
Please guys another thing before Changane ayivala mo bafethu if your guys got a problem here's the guy to talk to
yeah please
or here's the guy to talk to
in Boxandlo
gule I episode here's the guy to text
I
Razor I ufire I ulebu
so guys please
yabo asenicela bafethu lana abafethu if there's anything now you have against the infamous mina bafethu ngiyazi ukuthi ngikhuluma so but then khona into enikhohlwayo angigroup yenu engathi yabheda bafethu more welcome ngiyangithola anyesile nawe sisibambe ngamawashi ukuthi I know unay right
ebona dangala akuhlela ngama conducts la facility
mara ubheke wena ngiyolanda
ngama conduct
tangomphaso kuyazi ukuthi la manje
ngakini
ufa uyazi ukuthi la
akazi ukuthi ngizokala
ngizokela ukuthi ngisesifakeni
asansela this nakhohla it's a no filter chat
Yeah.
asithukanga umuntu
inkinga mine
asithulanga umuntu
nasenesikhathi
sathi umfana loyo umntana omncane uyakhasa bhekana like mamelani kahle like bafethu qinana indlebe nimameleni kahle yabona if Nandez khona abantu like abanye ba khona ale post le engifuna ku Davidson le post le atangasho ukuthi ikhuluma ngathi asithu mara ifavor yi1 I favorite
ngibonile le post
I favorite yabona lapho lindiwe tangane
olindiwe lo umuhanda
yo tangase akalahle shukuthi it's like she's with both choirs
kuba ngathi vele
both choirs kantata
yabona lapha ngasekugcineni lapha
ngibone na
sure
ngibone makubone noPaseka tanga la like kuba ngathi tanga ke nabantu tanga
silindiwe lungisa indlela
zakhe hey tanga ayimela tanga
silindiwe indlela zakhe
kuba tanga alright yabona if uzoba ngapha iba lapho ubona ukuthi like usikhombisa ukuthi lapho akekho ozokhomba ngespam lapha ngisho like angiyezi sichaza thina asithi sichaza wonke umuntu sichaza wonke umuntu you understand so if yena ungale stay there because mina uyabona mina she's there. You understand? I know mean. Ulindiwe tawane akekho nathi. Uthanda i-choose. Ngibona kwami because of they've supported.
Ulindiwe uthandani?
I-choose fam. That's not the wrong thing Jayam. Ukuthi akeno wrong kuphi. Ukuthi kube ngathi she's in both parties. Kanti she's no like caca ukuthi amawulawula. You understand? Amawulawula. So like mina angina flop nento le tanga ngeke uthanda wonke umuntu tanga mani tanga you understand angeke uchaze wonke umuntu tanga ngeke uchaze wonke umuntu so leyenza into tanga ishayile leta
okay bafethu kuwonke lama quest khulume ngabo bafethu asingachestini
ecacisa
no tanga like I'm being honest it's involved lana bafethu asikachesta wena
as much as tanga nawucula engikhwa ngisho we take you subject tanga how but sacela if now khona like into ofuna Paulile my daughter Paulile and if there's something down ongayithanga imfino you have the right to Paul bafethu ikhwaya yenu nina la kule podcast yenu ukuthi sona so ayisopane nyabhimba bafethu simple tang it's a podcast tanga where it says no filter khuluma into kumele ikhulume ngeimfino like ebeta ayithani noma yimastela
even if nambe konke engihlupha bengizoyikhuluma
exactly because when ikhwaya
mara before siva likhona into ekuhlupha
no ayikho
ola kisikhuleka kamnandi
abantu kamnandi
Happy Braga.
Happy.
Happy Braga.
Happy.
For sec. Happy Braga.
Okay.
Fuck you, man.
Big up down. Big up to Nhlanipo. Big up to this.
Asivale lava fethu tanga usivakashela next time or you
yeah ngizophinda ngibuye ta
fethu sho ukuthi some expect futhi otherwise click that like button that subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified next time I drop. So yeah, bafethu danko.